Why are there not more people talking about investing in Bitcoin safely? Welcome to Wealth Thinkers, your go-to channel for smart financial advice. Today, we're diving into the world of Bitcoin. But hold on, before you jump into the deep end, we need to talk about safety. See, investing in crypto can be a bit like navigating a jungle. There are amazing opportunities out there, but also some serious risks. That's why in this video we're breaking down exactly how to invest in Bitcoin safely. We're going step by step, covering everything from choosing the right exchange to protecting your hard-earned money. Trust me, you don't want to skip this one. Whether you're just starting out or you've already dipped your toes into the crypto waters, this video is your guide to making smart, secure investments. So grab a notebook, buckle up, and let's get started. First things first, you can't buy Bitcoin without an exchange. This is where you'll be buying, selling, and trading your crypto. But here's the thing, not all exchanges are created equal. Some are way more secure than others. You want to look for an exchange that's well established, has a strong track record of security, and offers excellent customer support. I'm talking about exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These guys are like the Fort Knox of crypto. Alright, so you've got your exchange sorted. Now, let's talk about where you're actually going to store your Bitcoin. See, leaving your crypto on an exchange is like leaving cash in your car. It's just asking for trouble. That's where wallets come in. Think of it like your personal crypto bank. You've got two main options: software wallets, like Exodus and Electrum, and hardware wallets, like Ledger and Trezor. Hardware wallets are generally considered the most secure since they store your crypto offline. It's like having your Bitcoin in a vault. Choose wisely. 3. Listen up, because this is crucial. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is like adding an extra layer of armor to your crypto accounts. It's like having a bodyguard for your Bitcoin. Here's how it works. When you enable 2FA, you'll need to enter a unique code from your phone or email every time you log in. This makes it way harder for hackers to get into your accounts, even if they have your password. Trust me, setting up 2FA is one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect your crypto. 4. You know what they say, diversification is key. And that goes for crypto too. Look, Bitcoin is great, but it's not the only game in town. There are literally thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you should spread yourself too thin. But putting all your money into one single asset is risky, no matter what it is. Consider investing in a few different cryptocurrencies, maybe even some index funds or real estate. 5. The crypto market moves fast, like really fast. It's like a roller coaster on steroids. That's why staying informed about market trends is crucial. You need to know what's going on so you can make smart investment decisions. Read crypto news websites, follow reputable crypto influencers on social media, and join online communities. The more you know about the market, the better equipped you'll be to navigate its ups and downs. Remember, knowledge is power. There you have it, folks. You're now well on your way to investing in Bitcoin safely and securely. Remember, this is your hard-earned money we're talking about, so always prioritize security and do your own research. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and happy investing!